So you are doing a very important and a very beautiful sum. Let's see the sum. There's only a statement given here. It says prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. So let's understand what do we draw first. It says line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle. So very first thing what we are going to obviously draw is a triangle. It says line joining the midpoints of any two sides. Now triangle has three sides. Let's consider any two sides. We consider AB and AC. So for AB, I'm saying M is the midpoint of AB. So when I say M is the midpoint, that means what? We know that AM is equal to MB. That is what we understand here, right? So now we are taking AC as the second side and we are taking the midpoint of that too. So I'm saying N is the midpoint of AC. That means what do we understand? We understand that AN is equal to NC. So these are the things which we got in the proof, right? So that is the first thing we write in the given. In triangle ABC, M and N are the midpoints of sides AB and AC respectively. That means we got AM is equal to MB and AN is equal to NC. So given information. It says we need to prove that the line is parallel to the third side. That means that line joining these two midpoints, that is MN, is parallel to the third side. What's the third side? That is BC. So we have to prove that MN is parallel to BC. So we have the given and the to prove with us, right? This is what you are supposed to prove in the sum. Now let's understand, let's see the to prove. It says we need to prove MN is parallel to BC. Now in a triangle, when will a line become parallel to BC? So that means if we get AM upon MB, this ratio equal to AN upon NC. If I get these two ratios equal, is our proof done? That means, yes, we will get our proof, that is, we will get MN is parallel to BC. This can only happen if those two ratios, that is AM upon MB is equal to AN upon NC, and that's the hint for us to prove the sum. So we are focusing on that. We want AM upon MB is equal to AN upon NC. Now let's see what is given in the sum. In the sum we have AM is equal to MB, right? So let's use that. So in that triangle ABC, what we have is we have AM is equal to MB and we want AM upon MB. That means now we need to take it in the form of ratio. So let's do that. So I'll shift that MB onto the left hand side. So what do we get? We get AM upon MB is equal to 1, and that would be our statement number 1. Wasn't that easy? So we got one ratio which we wanted, that is AM upon MB. So you're saying, sir, we want one more. See the next given. What do we have? We have AN is equal to NC. Why? Because N is the midpoint of side AC. From this, we need to get that ratio, that is AN upon NC. So what we'll do now? Yes, we'll shift that NC onto the left hand side. So when we do that, we get AN upon NC is equal to 1, and that should be our statement number 2. Observe statement number 1 and 2. What do we get? We get the right hand sides are equal, that is 1 and 1. Right hand side equal means the left hand side will also be equal. That means you'll get AM upon MB, this ratio is equal to AN upon NC, and this we got it from 1 and 2. So now by converse of BPT, we can say that MN is parallel to BC. Yes or no? Yes, that is by converse of basic proportionality theorem. That is where we get MN is parallel to BC. Wasn't this simple? Easy, right?